you a different kind of recipe, and this evening I decided to give you a nice, lovely, simple 15 minutes recipe at home with the kids. Them parents work hard, father work hard. When they come from work, they want to do something, bang bang, bedtime, wake up next day, work again. So we want to do something very easy and simple. It's just ideas what you can do at home. Suppose you cook too much spaghetti and you have some leftover, you don't need to chuck it in the bin. You can do 2 tins of tuna if you don't have any bolognese, or you know what I mean, and just fry up some veg and put the tuna together with a bit of ketchup, and you know what I mean, share it to the kids, and kids will like, you know what I mean, tuna is always kids fun, you know what I mean. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. It's just a 15 minutes recipe. You can do it at home. Nice and lovely. Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen. Back in the kitchen. Anyway, we always giving you 10 minutes recipe, 15 minutes recipe, 7 minutes recipe. This one is 10 minutes recipe. Anyway, first of all, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons and a half of oil. That's vegetable oil. As soon as it's hot, next what you're gonna do, put some mixed vegetable. We got white onion, tomato, spring onion, and also some mixed peppers, all cut up. That's beautiful and nice, guys. Get that salt take off for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. Looking so lovely inside of the frying pan. Look at the color. A lot of people might have said, oh, that chef is cooking a lot of veg. No, veg is good for you. Pinch of coarse pepper. And give it a stir. Allow that cook for about 3 to 4 more minutes. Looking lovely and nice. Then 2 cans of tuna. Drain off the oil. Half cup of sweet corn. A little bit of ketchup, and that's it. I make it simmer down for 5 minutes. Alright? Now this is finished, and we're gonna share it out. 15 minutes recipe, guys. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. And you can do this at home. Look at this now. Nice and lovely. So first of all, what you need to do is to cook your spaghetti. Suppose you cook some spaghetti left over from the day before. That's where it come in hand, even handy. Come from work, and this is what goes on. We're gonna serve this with some spaghetti. Not bolognese, no meat, it's fish today. Alright? The kids love tuna. And I know they will enjoy this. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. Look at that. That is just beautiful and nice. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. 15 minutes recipe at home. Enjoy. Bye-bye.